Hey everybody, so I've been working on my edits constantly day and night, and right now I feel like going out for a walk and grabbing a Red Bull or something. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me in a shop or something. Let's go. Okay, so it's around 5 p.m. or something right now, heading to a mall. It's actually very rare for me to go outside on walks. Like I never do these types of things. I should probably do this more often. Probably make some random small videos out of it too. I also bought these new earphones, by the way. They're Apple's wired earphones. Speaking of wired, I'm gonna tell you about why wired earphones are better than Bluetooth earphones. There's actually a lot of noise in my area, loudspeakers, kids running around and stuff. And then cows. I don't know if you guys can hear the cow, but the cow is moving. I have no idea what to talk about. Okay, let me talk about wired earphones. Wired earphones are just so much more convenient. Like you never worry about the batteries running out. Cows are scary, okay? You never know when they're gonna run at you and do stuff. They're scary. Here in India, it's actually really weird to vlog in public. Like you need to have balls made out of steel to like vlog. Literally everyone is gonna stare at you no matter what. It's time to cross the road. Like I'm here at the shop. I actually wonder if they have Red Bull. They probably should. I'm gonna grab a quick drink and get out of here. I don't think they have Red Bull. Okay, so apparently they didn't have Red Bull here, so I'm just gonna head to a different store, and I don't know where I can find a Red Bull right now. This was the biggest store really in my area, and they didn't have Red Bull. Maybe after noticing my requirements, they'll stock Red Bull next time or something, but I'm just gonna walk to a next store. I actually really wish they made footpaths in India. Like I'm just walking almost in the middle of the road. There are no footpaths here. It's kind of scary. I usually just take my mom's Ather and go to these shops, but today I thought why not just walk. Hopefully the next shop has Red Bull. I don't wanna waste too much time just to find Red Bull because I have to focus on work as well. Yeah, let's hope they have Red Bull. If not, I'll just buy a random Coca-Cola or something because I just feel like drinking something while working. Yeah. So much traffic. Footpaths. Indian government footpaths. Okay, hopefully this shop has a Red Bull. I'm guessing they do. Let's check it out. Okay, they do actually have Red Bull. I'll just grab one. One is enough. Okay, so I got my Red Bull. There's just too much noise here. I don't know what is up with my internet connection. God, there is just so much noise. Just fuck off, bro. As a Gen Z, I'm not gonna vote. Okay, these election people are literally everywhere, in every single place. They're using loudspeakers everywhere, man. It's so annoying. I can't even speak. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. There is too much noise outside. Begging for votes and blah blah blah. Just a huge disappointment. What a waste. I don't understand something. They make loud exhausts illegal, but this bullshit is legal. I'm so enraged right now. So unfair. But anyways, I'm almost home. I'm just gonna drink my Red Bull and keep working and ignore all this bullshit that is going on. I just got so enraged. Sorry. But yeah, that was a short walk. A short video, if you would say. A very random video. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Yeah, that's about it. See ya.